What happens when Tracie Fox meets Mandy from SunflowersAndDors on my table? Hello and welcome, creative friends. Well, these three little projects are the result of this virtual meeting. First, I made a tag with multiple compartments for maximum storage. Then there's a trifold made from tags that can even hold a pen. Such a cute little gift idea. And the last project is an ephemera holder. It's perfect for keeping all your tiny ephemera bits in one place. It's created from 3 envelopes and has 3 large pockets and multiple smaller ones, 10 pockets in total. I really hope you like these ideas. If you do, please subscribe to my channel. Happy creating!